Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And when I do a video like this, I don't ever expect you to make this, but I'm going to use a lot of tools and you might be able to use them for other circumstances. So I'm going to take the polygon tool set on 8-sided. I'm going to hold down the control button and, no, take it back. I want to get a star and I want an 8-sided star. And then I'm going to put it P and put it in the center of the page, but I'm going to go right here and change the angle or the depth of the star to about there. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to go to object now and convert it to a curve. So the next step will work. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I'm going to set it on 1 inch. So I'm going to make a different shape than the one we did here. I'm going to hit P to make sure it's still in the center of the page. I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to hit P. That's actually too big. Let's reduce that by holding down the Shift key. It'll grow from the center. Now take anything, a 3-point curve line would be your best choice. The only thing I suggest is don't go right on the line, start outside the line and make it a curve, because we don't want that line to be an intersection anywhere. Let's move that more like to there. The line length right now doesn't matter. I'm using somebody else's file. I'm not used to points, but I'm going to go 45. But you know what? In this case, it's bigger. Let's make it 50 points. Then go to object and convert the outline to an object. Now let's bring in indexing lines in the center of the page. Let's take this and Control D and make a duplicate and hit the X right there and put it in the center. Now we've got 8, so it's a 45-degree angle. So just Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we're going to set our nudge factor pretty high and just move this out of the way. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool that will make a new object, and then we're going to nudge it back. Okay, the red lines are in back, so we're going to take the black and go Object Order. I need to select on something. Object Order back a page. We want the lines in front. Now you're going to select all the line or everything and go right here to back minus front. And that's what you get. And then you bring a yellow box in, Object Order back a page. You can see that the lines have been removed. That's why we wanted the lines longer, so there wouldn't be an intersection there. You know, you could do this if you used a pentagon. It would be a very good way to make the iris or an aperture of the camera, actual lens that folds up on itself. Anyway, I hope that just gave you a few ideas, and thank you for watching.